reason I took Woodshop was because I thought it would be really fun. Because when I was younger, I always enjoyed just making stuff in general. My dad, he was always like working with wood when he was a kid. He like built a garage and all that. So he kind of inspired me to do it. And then once I started, I just couldn't stop. It was really fun.
I really like doing hands-on things, and that I don't know, I've always had an interest in hands-on. That's another way I like to learn. And
I thought it would be fun. It would be nice to make something with my hands to take home and show my family.
I didn't realize how fun it would be to just do all this, and I think it's definitely one of my most favorite classes.
I'm learning how to take wood and support it, stain it, and make it look into something that was made by a store.
I'm learning everything from Mr. Arvile. I couldn't do any of this without him. I think any other teacher I wouldn't be able to. He's like the perfect fit for me and my learning style.
you can create a lot of different things. You can make pretty much anything you can imagine.
If you take it, you're gonna have the most fun in any elective you could have possibly taken, plus more.